Hello guys, ito po yung mga namin sa farm, mga ani. Ito yung eggs, saging, mango, lemoncito, sugar cane. So guys, marami pala tayong dapat ipagpapasalamat. Counting our blessings. Minsan hindi po kasi natin nakakount yung mga blessings ni Lord. So dapat po pala talaga tayong magpasalamat kay Lord sa mga grasya na nadawat or the gifts, the blessings that we receive. Marami po talaga, especially our lives, no? The gift of life. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. Please don't forget to view, like, and subscribe my channel in the RP Vlogs. Bye bye, love. Thank you. Thank you, Lord.